Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download Dave and run it on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and go to your search bar and simply go ahead and search for Dave. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here. Click on this download icon right over here, and once you've done that, it's going to take a little while to download and install onto your mobile device. It just depends on the speed of the internet connection you're connected with. So just patiently wait and it should be all right. Once it has downloaded, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open. And finally, once you've done that, you can either log in or sign up right over here. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on